Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Blank interact with the central nervous system to alter a person's mood, perception, and behavior. Alcohol, neurotransmitters, psychoactive drugs, prescriptions. Match the drug categories examples with their effects on the brain. Column A, 1. Depressants, alcohol. 2. Tranquilizers, Valium, Xanax. 3. Opiates, morphine, heroin. 4. Stimulants, caffeine, cocaine. 5. Mixed stimulant depressants, nicotine. 6. Distortion of experience, marijuana, THC. 7. Hallucinogens, LSD, mescaline. Column B. A. Relieves anxiety, relaxes muscles, and induces sleep. B. Causes hallucinations, sensory distortions, and occasionally panic. C. Relaxant, limits inhibitions, impairs memory and judgment. D. Stimulates brain activity, can cause relaxation. E. Increase energy and alertness. F. Decreases pain, decreases attention to the real world. G. Intensifies sensory experiences, distorts perception of time, can impair learning and memory. True or false? The sale and possession of marijuana is against the law in most states. True, false. Which drug is reported to be the most powerful and causes hallucinations? A. Marijuana. B. Opiates. C. LSD. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Regular use of blank can lead to physical addiction. Opiates, alcohol, cocaine, marijuana. What is the most widely used and abused drug in the United States? A. Alcohol. B. Cocaine. C. LSD. True or false? There are many reasons why people may abuse a drug, such as fitting with peers, to escape boredom, or to relax. True, false. How can drugs, alcohol impact our mental state? You may use the audio option to record your answer.